Hi guys, it's Anne here, and today's video is my Topbox unboxing for the month of May. Oh my gosh, we're in the month of May already. This is crazy. So just to quickly recap, Topbox is a Canadian subscription box. I think it retails for about $10. I pay $13.56 including taxes here in Ontario. It's a very similar subscription box to Ipsy where it's like sample sizes. Sometimes you get one full-size product. I've gotten a full-size nail polish, and I've gotten I think it was a full size, and I got an eyeliner that I'm pretty sure was a full size, but yeah, for the most part it is like sample size products. And this month of May was really interesting because there was a bunch of boxes you could select with Rexall. So I selected all of them in hopes that I would get at least one of them. Obviously it'd be one, but so that's an interesting thing again about Topbox is it's not always just whatever you get's what you get. Sometimes, or every month, they send out an email saying, here's some other options that we have potentially available this month. You may or may not get it. So I did get it in the month of February where I asked for a mask box, so it all had face masks in it. There was other months where, like, one was a self tanner that I really wanted. It did not get it. A couple months I didn't even bother choosing the special box. I just wanted to see what like the regular box was like. So anyway, yeah, so this one is, they partnered with Rexall, so I think they had about 4 options that you could select that was with Rexall. My box here says P.Rex4, so I'm assuming I got option number 4, although I totally forget what the option is. So we'll just open it up and find out. So the one thing I don't like about these boxes is this stuff. This stuff drives me crazy. It gets everywhere. Anyway, I'm seeing some interesting things, and I'm seeing some good things that I kind of need. So the first thing is this Batiste dry shampoo. This is the original. It's obviously a travel size. The cap's on properly there. There you go. It's a Batiste dry shampoo in the original. I'm actually really glad I got this. I don't have any dry shampoo. Well, I didn't have any dry shampoo up until yesterday. I bought the dry shampoo out of Bath and Body Works. I actually really like it. So, kind of glad that I have this on hand, at least to get me by for a little while before I bother purchasing a new one. Although I may save this for travel because it is really good for travel. This is nice. So this is the Be Better. I think the Be Better, or the BE brand is a brand from Rexall, and it's a nice little body butter. It's very, very much like, it doesn't seem to want to focus on it. It's very much like a, what do you call it, Body Shop looking body butter. Probably, oh yeah, British Rose. Not a huge fan of the rose scent, but I might be surprised. Actually, let's just open it and see. I'm gonna see if one of my friends really likes rose scented things, because I would prefer to give this to somebody who would really enjoy it. Because yeah, I'm not a huge rose scented fan. I get surprised every once in a while when something is rose scented, but this is like the true potpourri sachet old lady rose scent to me. I don't know. Some people really love that scent. It is not one of my scents. I'm not a flowery scent person in general. Anyway, next is, ooh, I wanted to buy this, but I've held off buying this because I have too many lip products. So I got it in a box. I didn't buy it directly, so it's not so bad, right? This is the NYX This Is Everything lip oil. So yeah, I've wanted to buy this. I've seen it. There was like a kit where it came with like this and like the lip balm, and I think it's Too Much Tash that talks about the lip balm, and she really likes lip balm. So let's try and open this. So just opening it here, and that's what the little applicator looks like. So it's like a semi-flat applicator. It's just like an oil. There's nothing really, is there? I don't think there's a tint. Maybe a tiny bit of a tint. Feels really nice. I'm very excited to try that. And the last item in the box is this Bioderma let's see, Hydra Blow, gel cream. Sorry, sometimes these labels a little confusing. It's a light moisturizing care, normal to combination sensitive skin. So it's just a moisturizer for normal to combination skin. Sorry, the packaging is white and it's very, very bright, or very dark out, so I have the brightness up. So anyway, just a little moisturizer. Let's see. Oop, safety seal. Loving a safety seal. Weirds me out sometimes when I see packages that don't have that. So it's just a little white. Looks like moisturizer. Actually, looks like, we won't go there. Inappropriate. Yeah, it feels really nice. Just blended in really nice there. You can't even see it. I actually think this will be a really nice moisturizer. I'm kind of sad that I did not have this for my Peru trip because I feel like all the moisturizers I took with me with the Peru trip just were not adequate. Anyway, and then there's this just little card in here. Oh, cool. So there is a coupon that they give you in the box, and it's save $10 when you spend $50 or more on beauty products. Valid Monday, May 13th to Monday, June 3rd. I'm going to hang on to this. I probably won't be spending $50 at Rexall in the next month. It's just really not in the planned purchases. But, I mean, if you do spend or if you've been holding off, it's nice to have a little coupon. The one thing I do like about Rexall, if you shop there often, I have a few near me, they have coupons for $10 off with $30 regularly, things like that. And they also have, like, you know, points with air miles and stuff. So that's why I like Rexall. I'm in between. I like Shoppers because Shoppers has the Shoppers points, and the points accumulate, and then I get stuff for free. I don't really get that at Rexall, but like I said, at Rexall, I get the coupons where you get like $10 off, $30 or $40. And I do use those when I remember to use them. I try and hang on to them and save them because I go into Rexall once every few weeks or so because I pass about 3 of them on my way home from work. Anyway, that is it for my Topbox unboxing for the month of May. I will list somewhere, maybe over here, the prices of the products and how much I paid for the box. It's always been worth it. I've never yet had a box that's been like, wah, wah. I've actually been really pleasantly surprised with Topbox, maybe because it's new to me and I haven't had it for a while. But so far, every box, like, there's been very few dud products. I've been overall impressed by Topbox. Anyway, if you like this video, feel free to give it a little thumbs up down below. And if you think you may be potentially interested in a future video of mine, I would love it if you did subscribe to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye!